Morning, my friends. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Welcome to day 7 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. Why am I doing this? Am I cold? No. I'm actually very warm, but not as warm as the mat is. Got to air it out a little bit. The sun hits it and it's boiling. And we need to make it boil from our flows, not from the sun. Got me? All right, today's random question is, have you ever used a rotary phone? Yes, no, or huh? We have to know. Comment below. Start your day with Coach Vigue. This is fantastic. Today we're doing a stretch for tight muscles. About 10 minutes, so it can fit into even the busiest of schedules. Holding these poses a little longer. I'm already spitting sweat everywhere because you know what that means. I gotta tuck in my shirt. We'll start with child's pose with thread the needle. Take the right hand forward, reach the left arm through. You can also take this arm to your low back or kick this leg out if you wish. Let's hold for 5 breaths. We come into this with some tightness, maybe from a workout, maybe from running, maybe from how we slept, how we carried ourselves yesterday. Maybe you lifted a box without bending your knees properly and using the legs and core. So let your body melt into these stretches. Encourage the blood flow, encourage the connection between the body and the mind and the breath. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. And remember, you can sign up for all 30 days down below. Excellent. Nice shoulder stretch, releasing the back. Let's go to the other side. Place the left hand forward. We have swans out there. Reach the right arm through. Deep, deep breathing. In the nose, out the nose. All right, bring it through. Take the hands further forward. Drop the shoulders back. Hold it right here. Nice stretch for the upper back. Shoulders getting a lift, a back bend of sorts to, as always, counteract when we're hinging forward or diving forward. 5 more breaths. And do a little movement in the spine, tilting the pelvis forward and back, pelvic tilt. We do a lot of that in my Pilates videos and classes. Keeping an eye on the lake, we had a gator visit earlier, an old friend. They like to cruise by and think, what's that? Huh? That's what they think. Is he Danish? I like Danish. Start your morning with a Danish. Beautiful, my friends. Now take the knees wide. Press back, child's pose. Cross the arms. Release down. Let your armpits sink down. 5 breaths. Release, relax, renew. Get out of our own way. One more breath. Walking up. Oh. Shoulders back and down. Open the chest. Little superhero move. Khan! I know that was Star Trek. That's not Marvel or DC, but it came to mind. Let's quote some Secret Wars. How about that? All right. Forward again. Other arm on top. Which one did I do? I hope I did the right one, but switch out the arm. 5 breaths. Relax down. Let your back adjust itself naturally with the body weight and the gravity and the breath. I'm shading my mat too so it doesn't get too hot. Little tricks of the trade when I mentor people when they make videos. The first one is shade and shield your mat, right? From the sun. All right, again, walk it up, my friend. Whew. Let's sit on the heels. Take the arms back again, open. Turn that into some shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale, sink it back. Neck is loose, relax your jaw. This might be the most potent move you do all morning or all day to realign the shoulders, open up the neck. Take the pressure off the low back with the hinging forward with the rolling shoulders. We keep it open. Keep the breath open. Very, very important. All right, pigeon. Right knee forward, left leg back. Keep the leg here or open. Hello. All right. You don't want to know what's looking at me. No, it's just a bird. So we're here and we're gonna walk it down. You can take the arms all the way down. I'm gonna keep the forearms down because I don't want to go into the sand and the dirt. It's not beach day yet. Rolling side to side, add little circles if you like. Look at this, little circles around. These are all up to you. 30 days of morning yoga is as diverse as the filming locations. Always changing it up, adding on as our bodies adapt. We hunger for more. We hunger for more challenges, more breath, more movements, more variations, and we got them. Oops. All right, pigeon, other side. See his little head poking out? Okay, we set it up. Then knock them down. Forearms or arms down. Move how you wish. 5 deep breaths. Slow the breaths down. Let the breaths flow into your ribs, into your sides, into your low back. If you want to practice that, it's tough really saying, okay, here's how you breathe. But always do the sensory touch there. Press your hands gently on the sides here or low back and breathe and focus on sending the breath into those areas. The touch activates that area, activates the muscle, so you know where that region is, and your body and your mind remembers. One more breath. Some beautiful stuff. Take it back, downward facing dog. Whew, slowly walk the legs or hold the pose or bring the knees down. It's a little, little toasty back there. I might not, it's hot potato yoga, okay. See, I'll do all this so you don't have to, okay? You're sitting in your house going, huh? Stretch it out. Walking the legs, let that creep into the glutes and the low back. There's always time for some down dog variations to open up the back and shoulders and glutes. Building our beloved pliability. Left foot forward. Lunge, low lunge with the knees down or tuck the toes, stretch it all the way back. Let's take the hands down, shoulders back, and focus on that back heel. Press it towards the mat. If your back knee is down, focus on sliding that knee back with every exhale. Small little nuanced movements add up to huge benefits, huge movements. Press it down, stretch, there we are. Engage that front leg, shoulders back. Whatever we do, our alignment is pure, it's strong, it's proper. One more breath. All right, my friends, slip, switch sides. Line it up. So I'm still acclimating to this beautiful humidity. The sun is actually hotter in Colorado, higher elevations and such. It's more powerful, but with the humidity here, it gives the impression that the sun is about 10 times hotter. Ah, a cloud just went over. So we have the low lunge or the full lunge. Press that heel down. That's really going to wake up your hip flexor, your calf, and also the spatial relationship of your hamstrings to your glutes and your low back, how that whole area works together. You're pressing back and you're releasing down. Oh, that's good. Drop the knee. Let's do a quick shakeout here. How we doing back here? All right. There's a guy fishing over there. He's only run up on the shore a couple times to try to attack me, so kind of left him alone. Good fun. All right, onto your backs. Let's take that left foot flat or the left leg onto the mat. And this right knee is going to come in and drop it over. Extend the leg if you wish. Right arm out. Let your body slowly flatten down. Flatten down into that twist. You could grab here if you like. You could grab this foot. I'm going to leave it right here because I'm sweaty, I'm glistening, and I don't want the sand dust, right? That's for later. In the nose, out the nose. Deep breathing. Fill and empty the lungs. How you breathe is all on you. How you move is all on you. We must find what drives us forward. I know what drives me. It's not what drives you necessarily. You have to find what keeps you flowing, keeps you moving, keeps that fire in the belly. I've been doing fitness since I was 16. Well, actually, probably since I was about 2. I've always been very, very active. I love to play. I love to run, bike, do all these things. So it's always been movement. It's always been flow, using my body in such a fun, advantageous way. All right, other side. Started lifting weights in high school between my junior and senior years in my bedroom. 2 dumbbells and a barbell. If you count me, it was 3 dumbbells. That's a good one. Very nice. I didn't train very well, but I started putting on muscle, and my fitness path and career has gone all over the place since then. That's how it's supposed to go. I've adjusted when I needed to. Sometimes I adjusted too late. Had to suffer certain consequences, but I rebuilt and kept going. So I'm very happy to teach so much of this body weight movement because it's life-changing. It's something you can do your entire life. It's always meant to elevate, never to tear down at the expense of your body. I should do more videos on that. I get very excited talking about the fitness journey. Use it as a bookmark, as a benchmark. But you got to find yours. You can't steal somebody else's fitness or journey. You just can't do it. All right, my friends, knees into the chest. You do that, I'm gonna, I might have had a rogue elk follow me from Colorado, knees in. I think we're going a little longer than 10 minutes, but once we get going, I can't just stop it. So knees in the chest, or more advanced is the plow. Legs up and over. Use the core. This is more advanced. If you have any neck issues or high blood pressure issues, don't do it. Use your own common sense. Hands on the low back, or you could drop the arms down. I do little movements because my body sometimes isn't ready for the full plow. Just do little movements. Let your body acclimate. It will tell you. Your body is constantly talking to you. But either way, we're making great strides. I feel good. My endorphins are flowing. 5 more breaths. Either one. Knees into the chest or plow. It's the helium plow. My voice goes up. Start talking out of my nose. Whew. I've been doing a lot of biking lately. Biking? I just said biking and cycling together. There's got to be a career in that. I combine words a lot. All right, my friends, let's slowly bring it down. If you're in plow, use the arms. You want to massage the spine. Sometimes it doesn't happen so smoothly. Work on it. Practice. Consistency throughout your training, throughout your life. More important than anything else, because we can always hit it hard and burn out, but consistency. Well done, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, me, Vogue, but with an I. This is part of your 30 days of morning yoga program. Sign up link is down below. This is day 7, tight muscle stretch. There's ants everywhere. Look at this. And today's question, random question, is have you ever used a rotary phone? Yes, no, or huh? We have to know these things. All right, my friends, good work as always. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. Until then. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness Training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below and you'll get that video immediately.